Alright, now I know what that thing was we saw in Ohio when Teddy was with me. It was a iron ore factory thing. Here's one in the Adirondacks. All this right here, I think is iron. Pretty sure. It's not rock. Yeah, that's iron. So it would come, I guess they would heat it up and it would come out of here and into here and make pigs. Just bars of iron. And they could take those pigs and make other stuff with it. There it is. And over here you have where they dammed it. They dammed the water and had the hydro mechanical power. The old wheels are right there, all the iron. They could recreate those like in Rochester if they want. And there's the furnaces with the boiler. This is pretty cool. Danger! I guess that's an old bucket. Oh, it's starting to rain. There's the back side. Nothing. Big pipe. Big old pipe. This is pretty neat. More big old pipe. Let's see what the sign over here says. Oh, stupid thing. I'll take a picture of it. You guys can check it out.